Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you are fine and good. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Today my topic is presentations of life insurance and general insurance in India. You can see the penetrations of life insurance and general insurance in India. So we're gonna click on the next one, which is abstract introduction. You can see the abstract, the major change of the life insurance industry in India in the opening up to private and global players in life insurance corporations of India. LICI dominated the India life insurance market with the development of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of IRDA Act in 1999 was a clear signal of the end of the monopoly of LIC and the insurance sector. You can see the introduction. We're gonna click on the next page. You can see their full big. You can see their analytics, their analysis fundamental of insurance. We're gonna click on this rationals of monetizations, so we can scroll down and see their terms and privacy and policy. So also we can see their insurance sectors report, March 2019, February or January. Dynamics of Sinha, Swiss Re, Ab Final Dynamic. So you can scroll down. You can see the abstract, the major chance. So you can see there how big this paragraph. We can read from here world as well as in its mobile internet user base, which number more than 130 million. The country's internet users are well versed at doing online comparison shopping for a range of consumers products, including insurance. Many private insurance are already actively leveraging the internet and social media platform to connect and interact with existing and prospective customers. Civil insurance are well on their way to building true e-commerce platforms with a view of providing simplified and a low cost saving and protection product. A number of industry player and playing also looking at automotive their process in order to speed up and simplify the premium market rose at CAGR of 16.3% from USD 3.4 billion in FY00 FY04 to US to 111.7 billion in FY14. The share of private sector in the life insurance premium increased from 4.7% in FY04 to 24.6% in FY14. The market share of private sectors companies in the non-life insurance premium market rose from 9.6% in FY03 to 45.3% in FY14. The evaluations of India's economic and social fabric is part of a larger global megatrend, the accelerating urbanizations from our planet. In 2009, the world's urban residents had surpassed their rural brethren in terms of headcount and expected to account for 66% of the global populations by 2050, according to the United Nations World Urbanizations Project 2014 revision report. Indians on urbanizations was helped in no small measure by the country economic liberalization in 1991, which set the stage for substantial growth and development and fueled the emerging of the middle class. So you can scroll down and see their families, that is multiple generations of parents, siblings, spouses and children living together, either in one home in our family compound as a single economic family unit. In recent year, India's young adult, rather than staying in these joint families united, has been moving to cities to further their education or career. once their many marry and from their own nuclear families and start to vehicles financial self-releasing, self-refilling, purchasing, saving, and protection protect and from life insurance companies that are enabling them to build and protect their asset from magnitude financial risk. India's rapid GDP growth of the yearly 2000s, which averaged approximately 9% per year, leveled off somewhat after the 2008 global financial crisis. Nevertheless, our economy continues to expand at a respectable rate, and the Organizations for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) is predicting short-term annual GDP growth of 5.9%. Several challenges loom, however, with the continued rapid expansions of urban populations. Essentially, as you the main challenge for India over the foreseeable future will be the development of a modern and reliable national infrastructures. Although such development process in the direction has been far from suspensional, this is nothing short for a national embarrassment. India's infrastructure and development need to keep pace with the rate of urbanizations as well as the pace of growth in population and workforce. Indeed, India ranked 85th and out of 148 countries with regard to infrastructures in the Global Comprehensive Report 2013 to 2014 published by the World Economic Forum. One is hard pressed to find an urban area within the India with actual infrastructure development has kept pace with current, let alone future requirement. Growth in structure insurance market in India in the larger in the world and cover the 30 miles from our in occurrence in accounting and analysis of, or you can see the gross domestic. Now we can see to pay the market return on assets milestones of the evaluations of insurance or development of the life insurance industry. So you can see moreover we have already have been seen service excellent and other things, best beast analysis of the facilities, political factor, the regulatory aspects for the political factor, the primary effect. Or now we can see the phase 1 resulting is in same price sensitivity or industry rivalry or regulations. The this bold intelligence to help or streaking a right way. So I hope you all like my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.